how to add SmartThings TV remote to home screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, just click and hold on screen. After just click and hold on screen, click on widgets. After click on widgets, scroll down and click on SmartThings. After click on SmartThings, you will see scroll down and screen remote is here. If you want to add screen remote widget, so you will select widget from here. After select widget, click on add. You will see widget is add on home screen. After the process, click on screen. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add SmartThings TV remote to the home screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.